the daily time frame. We came to 4 hours, and then we have determined our entry, this time using hourly chart. Hello. There are mixed views about the movement of the Euro USD. So today, let me check what we will be having this year, or this month, or next few months, what we will be having in this currency. And before we continue, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. Sometime I'll give a good review, good strategies, and very expensive strategies here for free. So ensure that you subscribe. So I'm looking at Euro USD and United States dollar. Okay, so this is Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD. So this is what we are checking. This is what we are checking. I told people that that this Euro USD will be that is the USD will be strong, or will be weak this year. That is 2023. And so when we allow, if you look at the long term or the long trade, that is a buy position. So you should consider trading this currency as a weak currency. So here we want to see, today it's behaving, it is showing the weakness. You can see this one, there was something happened. This was the news, that was doing this crap. Okay, first, before I continue, I do what I do. We go to properties. We want to change the appearance of the MT4 chart. Appearance, yeah, we want to make it more appealing, more pleasing to the eyes, for it to motivate us to do better, and also for us to keep an eye on it for quite a long time. Okay, so you can check there, bar up, bar down. That is what we want to change. So bar up, I leave it as green. This one I put it red. This one I put it bull, means up. I always say that. Bearish is down, red. The rest we go to common. We first remove show grid. I do not want to see grid. This one others we want to show the ask line for us to see the spread, and then we can move to the next day. You can see that this is a little bit appealing. Okay, first thing, when I get into the market, I go to the daily time frame. I go directly to daily time frame. So here is our daily time frame. Daily time frame here is giving us let us see what is happening here. Daily time frame. I want to look at it from the distance. Okay, now daily time frame, we will when checking the daily time frame, first thing we have to use the first rules of forex trading. First rule is buy cheap, sell expensive. What do I mean when I say buy cheap, sell expensive? So let me draw something. Draw a line there. This is a price line, a straight line. Let me use a straight line for this. So here, this is cheap. From the look of things, this is cheap. This is cheap. This is cheap. Oh yeah, I don't want to interfere with my tool. Then this one is expensive. Yes, you have buy cheap, sell expensive. So here it was expensive, it was selling at this point. It was expensive, then it is sold. So there was this drop. Okay, in this case, at this point, we are looking at sell. We are only looking at sell. We're looking at sell. Then here we are looking at buy. It's a buy. Okay, sell, buy. So this one we will be targeting the drop. This one we are targeting the upward movement. As simple as that. Okay. I want us to go to the next step. First thing, if you check, we are still, let us this is the boundary that we have. We have this there was a strong level there that need to be obeyed by this. So what I am trying to say is that this year, this market will be going up on a daily time frame. I don't want to go to monthly because monthly will give us a very long stuff that we should wait for so long. Okay, so that is what I am looking at. So EURUSD this year, I'm looking at a buy. Okay, now that is an annual prediction from the daily time frame. When I talk about daily time frame, okay, allow me to delete all this. I think you have got that, so I can you can move to the next step. The next step, let me delete this. Now when I talk about daily time frame, this candlestick you see here, this candlestick you are seeing here, it's 1 day, another one 1 day, this one 1 day, this 1 day, this 1 day. That is for the beginners, or if you forgot. So that one should be in the market. So today the candle that is being formed is this one. This is the candle that is being formed, and funny enough, you will see someone selling this market. This candle is very clear that it will be going up, at least at that point. We are on the daily time frame. We have not even determined what we are doing today in the market, but we have already identified that today the candle is moving. This distance is not a short distance. Let me measure it. We see how many pips. Remember that we measure the movement of the market, or the moves that market use the distance using pips. So where is the crossbar? Okay, the crossbar is there. So we are here. I want to measure that move. How many pips? This is 147 pips. You see, 147 pips. Those are enough. That is enough profit that you can make from that small move, which is also very good and tradable. That is very nice. Okay, I think we are done with the, not that I think, we are done with the daily time frame. We can move to another time frame, to a lower time frame, to determine our entry. So what am I doing? I want to delete this. I can zoom. Then I'll go to 4 hours. What am I seeing on the 4 hours? 4 hours is contrary to what we are saying. So if I check, if I use a trend line, or you can maybe draw it. There is another trade that was being formed there. There is this. Okay. Now, this one we can take one trade either when the market gets above this level, or when the market gets above this level. Okay, on daily time frame, because we have said that, as you can see, the market is still on an uptrend. The market is going up. This does not guarantee or show that the market has turned. Yes, it is retracing. This is what we call the correction or retracement. The market moves and corrects. We cannot expect this market to move using a straight line like the ones that I am drawing. It must move, to correct, move, correct, move. That is move, correct, and that is how market moves. You can see the corrections up here. The corrections, that means that this is a huge correction according to me and according to what we can see. So at this point we can see that it is still a buy, but we have to wait. We have to wait for several hours, because the market can decide maybe to correct up to a point like here. Okay, so we will be lost. I move to daily time frame. From there we go to the hourly. Hourly is what will give us the entry. We are still using our rule: buy cheap, sell expensive. We also applying other trading strategy like breakout, failure swing, support and resistance, and etc. So here I can see a zone, a very strong zone, even though it has only been tested twice, but we believe that can be tested thrice. Maybe this market can come at a point like this, then test this, then maybe goes up. So this one, when it is tested at that time, it will now become a support, because they should be tested at least 3 times. Buy cheap, sell expensive. We can see that here it is already cheap on a daily time frame, and we should buy. It's giving us a buy. We cannot sell this cheap. We could have sold at a point like here. So here we are targeting this market to reverse and go up. And I'm talking about putting entry using daily time frame, because I am a single swinger. I will not go to the 5 minutes. So I will use a daily time frame to enter Euro USD. So in this case, I delete this. So here you can see a zone, like a consolidation, and the highest point was there. So I'll put there and put there. Then I will place my trade. I'm talking about placing, because I will trade this currency. Once the market leaves this zone, at a point like here, this point, I will place my trade. So I am going to buy from that I will buy and assume that the market will go up. Okay, so Euro USD is giving us a buy. Remember, we started with the daily time frame. We came to 4 hours, and then we have determined our entry this time using hourly chart, okay, or 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we are using hourly chart, and the trade we are making here is a buy position after the breakout. If you have not learned about breakout, there is a video there named breakout strategy. So check the breakout strategy. You will know what we are doing here, why we are using breakout strategy, and what is breakout strategy. So learn about breakout strategy to know how to enter this trade. I'm talking about breakout strategy. Let me write. So we have breakout strategy. So use a breakout strategy. After listening the video on a breakout strategy, you will know that we should buy. And how to buy, how to place your stop loss is still there. So check the breakout strategy, this one. The breakout strategy, it's there. There is a video named breakout strategy. So this one will help you to know why we are saying that we are buying Euro USD. Okay, it's simple. I have not used any technical skill to determine this. I've used what I can see. Just what I can see, nothing else. I've not checked, even though I knew that the USD is weak from the stock market. I had checked the that is the interest rates and whatsoever. So the USD is not that performing this year compared to last year. Okay, even since last year, the USD has not been that strong. It has not been that monster to other currencies, especially to strong currencies like GBP and that is euro. You know, it has been killing the Australian dollar. Australian dollar has not been that strong. Okay, so we meet on the next currency. I'm going to do analysis of USD CHF. CHF, the Swiss franc. Okay, the Swiss franc, CHF. That is the next analysis that I am doing today. Okay, check out the link there, and also subscribe, like, and share. Ensure that you also give a comment, give your views, so that we can continue together. Okay, if you are joining us tonight, welcome again. Welcome to the training, and also the online training. So I will be also recording the video on that. For now, I wanted to give you guys this. You can have this as we meet tonight. Thank you.